So that would mean we're just waiting for 19 Clay Duffy. Clay Duffy is on his way down. 5 cars in heat number 2.
Why are you doing
Heat
that?
number 2 sponsored by the Claus family for number 1. And everything H2O for second place.
50-50, Travis, 50-50.
All the 4 cars are in place. The 5th car is rolling in. That is all the cars from heat number 2. Now we're going to set the tires across. All flags are up for heat number 2.
Perfect.
All that. As they're doing a little crashing and banging. Spin them around. Round and round they go. Oh, that number 11 car, Chris Harold. They line them up. Oh, looks like we got a couple that are hooked together down here. Oh, we got them unhooked. Looks like the 53 car of Herb Evans. He's over there. Oh, here we go. Round and round they go. Line them up, back them up. Chris Harold, number 11 car. Oh, he locks them up. Oh, the 53 car of Herb Evans having some issues over here. Chris Harold, he's having a heyday. Oh, he's having a heyday down here. Oh, the 53 of Herb Evans is out. 53 car, Herb Evans is out.
Come on, Travis, hurry up.
Chris Harold seems to be the only car that is not hooked up.
Come on, Travis, hurry up.
The other 3 cars all seem to be hooked together, but their flags are still up. Oh, he takes a run at Travis Anderson. Oh, we got another car that's running, but he's hooked together. Chris Harold seems to be the only guy that is loose. Looks like Perry Miller and Clay Duffy are hooked together. Travis Anderson's running, but can he get out? Oh, he's got a tire. Now they're all loose at that. Now we're going to have a little fun. Oh, the 14K car. Travis Anderson. He's got a tire that is all bent out of shape, but he's still moving. So far, the 53 car of Herb Evans is the only one that's out. Oh, Chris Harold with a big crunch. Oh, number 19 car looks to be crunched up pretty good. Chris Harold seems to be the only one. He takes another run. And Clay Duffy.
Why are you taking punches?
Clay's still trying to get the car going down there. Oh yeah, got some good signs out there. We line them up.
Fire! Fire!
Uh-oh, we got a little flame. Got flames, got flames. Flames on the number 11 car. Oh, that was the Chris Harold car, the number 11 car, the only car that had not been hooked up from the front. He was doing some damage out there. A little bit of flames happening in underneath. The number 14 car, 14K of Travis Henderson. The number 85 car, Perry Miller. Oh, looks like Travis Henderson's flag has come off. He can't get it going. So Travis Henderson is out.
No, he's not.
14K car, Travis Henderson is now out. So we're down.
No, he's not. Dude, wake up.
And 85 is off as well.
What the hell's that?
I mean, Clay Duffy, the 19 car, he's off. So we've got the 14.
14 still running.
Chris Harold going to be number 1. Chris Harold will be number 1. Travis Henderson.
Oh,
Travis Henderson will be number 2. So ladies and gentlemen, the number 1 car was number 11 car, Chris Harold. The number 2 car will be the 14K car of Travis Henderson. We're going to roll back to heat number 1. So Chris Harold gets the first place prize by the Claus family. Travis Henderson gets the second place prize donated by Everything H2O. Now we're going to roll back to heat number 1. The full-size heat number 1 sponsored first place by Western Alignment Brake. Number 2, Sierra Vacuum Services. As we're going to haul out car number 11. Because every time he fires it up, he gets another low fire.